time and go.
Fancy a road in the back.
Right.
Yep. Sure.
Get that front wheels versus.
Last year's weather was sort of charge system.
Yeah, I can't find the one you need. I know I've got one somewhere, and I haven't found it yet. If not, ask this one, because this one will have
Just as well as the wiper off the bottom
old
of the screen.
style USB, you know, the Mark 1 USB, the big
square
the
one.
big thick square one.
Yeah.
You know, phone charge leads.
That's a phone.
Yeah, how about I say yeah?
There can't be any mobile phone using a big square USB. I mean, I don't think I do, no. What kind of phone are you talking about?
It's not on the phone.
Oh, right.
It's like an electronic kit.
Right.
So it looks like from essentially it becomes it's this socket.
Yeah.
I'm not going to
I
buy
mean,
it until I know if it works. It doesn't work.
I can have a look. I mean, I don't think I do, but I don't think so.
The ideal place would have been the old Rockfam shop I was at.
Yeah.
Loads of them.
The second-hand van would be, they've got, do you on Magdalen Street, second-hand van? They've got buckets and chargers and cables and things.
Good idea.
Yeah, they do all sorts of weird fucking stuff in there.
Yeah.
I think you got a good chance.
The old square type thing doesn't fit with the original USB.
Is that like a...
What they call mini, that thing, mini
One side,
five.
one side, one on the other.
The original Mark.
Yeah.
That's like the modern one. That's what I call the original USB.
Yeah.
No, nothing uses anymore.
I do have one of those, but I need it for a bicycle light I've got. Although that said, I haven't seen the bicycle light in a few weeks, so I might have lost it. It might have fallen off my bicycle at some point, so I might actually not need the cable anymore. I'll have a hunt round for the light, and if I have honestly lost it, then I'll have the cable.
What?
It's
It's a Mini 5T. Mini 5P.
Mini 5P.
Which is the original USB, mini USB.
Oh, we're going to be going past the Graceland
Oh,
in a
look.
minute.
It's a KT.
Somebody's abandoned an old... Where is Graceland? It's down at somewhere.
Here on the right.
Whack it, you need to... We're about to go
We're
past
about to go past
Graceland.
the original Graceland.
Way up the way.
I think we might have gone past it. It's just like the real thing.
Oh, absolutely.
I bet he has his supposed to be Graceland, doesn't he? I bet he does. Fucking hell.
Yeah, we must do that. My uncle was big into all this. He used to go to conventions where they all dress like this.
I think the bloke is fucking overrated.
Overrated.
I think there's much more interesting rock and roll than Elvis.
Yeah.
I don't think he's very good. Elvis. Someone like Johnny Cash, I think, is much more interesting. I could listen to Johnny Cash. Elvis just annoys me, but Johnny Cash I could actually listen to.
The Live at Bolton Prison, that's an album that I often put on.
Believing entertaining because I should be purgatory.
I don't know what he actually did to end up in San Quentin.
I don't know much about
Epstein with big soft production wise at GM.
That's true, yeah.
49, 50, 51 all
unfortunately,
It's a bit like your qualifying, isn't it? What is it? Well, it was a 1500 front roll, but it's rear-wheel drive. It's got TR7 engine. Oh,
I
God.
think people always, whenever they ask me that, I feel like, oh, okay, we'll actually tell you what it is. I feel like they always end up regretting it.
Yeah.
Like, well, have you got 10 minutes?
It's the ultimate Asperger's reveal, isn't it?
When people talk about bits, that is what they're talking about.
They'll have the wipers on these ones.
Yeah.
One sticks out.
One of them.
Yeah. Getting your frames or something, you know?
I don't know. I'm hoping so. I mean, they said that they originally told me, it would take a couple of weeks. I'm assuming that means from when they've got the design sorted and it's ready to deliver. And they've got that now. And it's been a week since I went in to sort out the discrepancy in the design. So I think if I haven't heard from them by this Friday, I'll get on to it. But it's, I really, really want to get that done.
What does your mother think you're doing today? Will you be expected to go home with any more motorcycles?
I'm expected to go home and have a Sunday roast.
Big spread like you will get another.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. That's as successful as him getting a big spray though. Way!
No, I bought them for weeks.
Oh, miss you much.
Nonsense. I saw her in the shop. Not the shop window, just the shop.
You're not missing much. Engine components. Is that the 680? It's got that sort of, yeah,
There's a gardener engine.
Leyland 680.
Up Yorkshire bodywork, probably.
Is that the Leyland engine that's got? Right, so it's got no cylinder. Removable
That's
cylinder.
500.
Right.
The 680 was ancient, wasn't it? They kept updating it and updating it. They've been right back to the 40s. That was a very conventional engine. They're just well proved. But I think 680 they put turbo on, didn't they?
Yeah.
It was basically an old engine. They just put 500 was the new one.
Yeah.
That's the headless one.
Yeah.
They put in the Nationals.
Yeah. Alright.
They did.
Wasn't it that 680 they kind of pushed it too far and it started being unreliable or something? Is that right?
680. You think of the PM12, 680 successor.
Right.
Are you impressed with it, though, Norris? The TM12?
Very.
Proud of you.
I'll get you an anorak for Christmas.
No, the TM12 was developed for the 680.
Right.
With a modern engine, but they pushed back too far and that weren't very reliable.
Right.
680 was a mature engine, so it's what all the fleet operated on.
Yeah.
It's a 680, so the Delta.
Yeah.
Good day out. 680 is the fuel capacity of the engine.
Wow, that's big.
680 cubic inches.
Considering mine's a 300.
Soft.
Yeah, 10 and a half litres, 680.
Yeah.
Something like that. It's not that big for a bus engine.
Well, it was comparatively for the time.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
not now. Is it?
No. AEC did a V8 with that were 800. The Sabre.
That's crazy.
Rear end code.
And obviously the 500 was called the 500 because it was 500 cubic inches.
Yeah.
Smaller.
It's expensive enough trying to get anywhere in my bus. It does.
Yeah.
Cost me and Jamie took it down to Bristol and it cost us nearly 250 quid a petrol to get there and back. Absolutely. I mean, I'm hoping it's partly down to the fact that I didn't do anything with the valve timing and it was just running inefficiently. If that's as good as it gets.
You might get another 1 or 2 miles per gallon.
I mean, anything
If
would
you
be.
crack 7 mpg, you're going to be doing well, really. If I'm honest.
I'm not double figures.
You won't get them.
Okay.
Nah, you'll never get.
7 mpg is about your rate.
What did you get together?
7. You have to be realistic and that's what you're going to get.
Yeah.
But looking on the bright side, it's big enough and heavy enough you could mount a couple of LPG packs.
Yeah. I mean, that is my intention. Cut the cost fuel costs right there.
That's not like a big gas bag off the top like in that army.
Oh my god.
filled it with helium to make it lighter. It's more MPG.
Well, you're looking at it the wrong way anyway. 7 mpg for a vehicle is horrendous. 7 mpg for a house is quite good.
No, it is
It's
very
really
good.
economical
It is.
for a house.
How much does your house get?
Oh, I don't know. I've never known they'd move it.
Wow. If you did try and move it, it would be a lot less than
You
that.
know, you are looking at it the wrong way.
I don't begrudge it. Considering, we got down to the festival and we had 2 beds, a sofa and a kitchen.
I think the bigger diesel locos, things like that, they're something like, it's in tenths of a mile per gallon, isn't it, when they're fully loaded up. They're just, to go from here to Wyndham, you're going to burn probably 100 quid worth of diesel. Something like that.
I don't want to get off the bus.
Lovely, isn't it?
I want to go around again.
Favourite bus.
Had a thought.
Yeah, definitely.
Comfortable.
It's so smooth.
Comfortable, smooth, nice eating.
Yeah.
Nice and warm, isn't
I
it?
think it's all changed now.
There isn't heated vents, are it's just sort of gently.
It's just generally warm.
Yeah.
Probably under the seats. I think we duct it up through the floors that way and up through the floors that way.
You're whinging about having to get out of bed.
I'm yawning. I'm ages.
Typically, when you're out for the day, he's done fuck all, and he's still whinging about it.
Not whinging. Comment. It's different from whinging.
Delivered to his front door. Oh,
What sort of noise the bloody toner plates make for hers?
well. Time to hit the road, I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sid.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.